Hello, it's April from Passive Income Rising, where I share with you my top affiliate marketing tips, tricks, and tutorials and resources on a budget. And in this video, I want to share with you how to get fast YouTube views for free, no fake traffic. And this is my step-by-step tutorial guide for instant views to your YouTube channel. I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can start getting more views to your YouTube channel. Now, whether you have a brand new channel and you're looking to start getting some traction with it, or you have a more established YouTube channel and you're looking to grow it with some traffic and start getting more subscribers and, make more money if you're already monetized, you're definitely going to want to use this method. Now, this method will allow you to get traffic without having to totally rely on YouTube's algorithm to rank your videos. And by doing this, by getting this traffic, you will eventually start to get, not eventually, this could happen the first day you use these sites, or it could happen, later. It depends on how often, how regularly you use these sites. So this will help you to get more subscribers, more views to your channel, and then ultimately help YouTube to rank your videos because of that. So the first place I want to take you to is my own channel, because I'm going to show you I have over 3,000 subscribers, so I have a pretty small channel that's actively growing, but I want to get more subscribers and more, viewers and grow my channel even more. So I'm going to take you to a site right now that I've been a member of since 2009. It's called Easy Hits for You, and this site has been in business since 2003. They have over 1.8 million members worldwide, and they have delivered over almost 4.5 billion visitors because, through their platform. So this is a very legitimate, established traffic exchange. And how it works is for every site that you visit, you'll receive one visitor back to your link. And there are no limits to free visits that you could receive a day. It could be 10, 100, or 1,000. So it really depends on how much time you want to invest out of your day by using this site. And the first thing that we're going to do here is we're going to create a splash page that's going to be rotated in this traffic exchange that's going to be linked to your YouTube channel. So bear with me, I'm going to log right in and show you how to do this. Okay, so I'm inside of my Easy Hits for You account. Like I said, I'm a totally free member. You never have to pay anything. If you do want to upgrade your account in the future, you're able to do so, or you can also purchase credits in the future, but you don't need to do this to use the site. You can use it totally free. I have never upgraded in my life in the site, so you don't have to do it. And I'm going to walk you through now how to create a splash page. Now, why do you want to create a splash page? Because you want to just make sure that your site is getting seen. You don't want anything like inhibiting it from getting seen, like YouTube or any hidden frames or anything like that. So by making a splash page right here in their Easy Splash Builder section, you're making sure that your site is seen and you're going to stand out from branding. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Under the Tools section, which is on the left-hand side, you are going to click Easy Splash Builder. All right, and then what you're going to do is click Add New Splash Page. Now you can use the wizard, which is like a bunch of templates that you can select whatever one you prefer. And this will allow you to get it done really quickly. So I can, for example, you can use this one here, which is, I could use this one for my channel, Passive Income Rising. It's about making money online. Or if you don't want to use a template, you can start from scratch and you can actually just use their editor, and you can, do whatever you want and add your photo and everything. So I'm going to show you how to do this one because it's a little more tricky. The other one is very simple to navigate. So this one here, it's very simple as well, but I'm going to grab an image of myself because I want to make sure I'm utilizing the branding, because you're getting random people from all over the world seeing this page, and if they see a picture of you, it's going to help build trust, and there's more of a chance they're going to want to click on your link. So I'm going to go over to my blog and I'm going to grab an image of myself off of my blog. So I'm just going to right click my picture, copy image address. Now you don't have to put an image of yourself if you don't want to, but I recommend it. But like I said, not totally necessary. So I'm going to go and insert an image of myself And I'm going to make it smaller, and I'm going to center it. And then I'm going to put underneath of it discover how I went from broke Pizza Hut waitress to earning passive income 24/7 online. Okay? You want something that's going to be catchy, that they're going to be interested in, they're going to want to click on it. I'm going to bold it, and then I'm going to go over to headings and click heading 3. Or I could even make it bigger. I could even make it heading 2. Okay? No. Alright, so that's something that you can do. And then I'm going to put check out my YouTube channel for my best tips, resources, and tutorials. Alright, and I might just make that underneath. Now you can change the colors of any of this. You can highlight whatever you want, and I think I'm going to highlight this part. So I'm going to click the highlight tool and go here and make it like that. Okay. So when they see this, when they're surfing, they're going to say, okay, who's this person? What are they doing? Okay, so this is what she's doing. And then I'm going to highlight YouTube channel, go over here to my YouTube channel. So just go to your channel when you're logged into your YouTube, and then you're going to just make sure you clicked on videos so they can see everything you have. Copy from your browser the link to your channel videos, and then you're going to click on the insert link and paste it, and then open a new window. This will open it outside of their surfing. All right. Okay. And then I might even go, just to make sure they see it, view my YouTube channel, just in case the highlighting distracts them. And then I'm going to make this heading 1, and I'm going to unhighlight it. And then I'm going to, once again, I'm going to go back and copy that, add a link in a new window, save. Now I'm going to preview this. This is how it's going to look when they're surfing. It's going to have their high easy hits for you user. And then I'm actually going to add my name just to make it more like, hi, my name is April. And you guys can get as creative as you want with this. I'm going to center this, and I'm going to make it italicized. Okay. Now I'm going to preview this. Okay, so I like discover I went from broke Pizza Hut waitress, which is true, to earning passive income 24/7 online. Check out my YouTube channel. Now when they click on this, it's going to open up a new link outside of their surfing that's going to go to your channel. All right, just make sure this is working. All right, so that looks good to me. So what we're going to do now is click add. This is going to add it to your surfing. Okay, here it is right here, and you can have a limit of 3 splash pages. All right, now you're going to click on this promote button. This is your link, okay? And you want it in English. And this is the title. I'm just going to call mine my YouTube channel. And you're going to submit it. And they're going to go check it, make sure everything's okay before they add it. So they're going to do a countdown here for 15 seconds. And this is what people are going to see when they're surfing. All right, confirm it. There you go. Now it'll show up under your website. So you'll see this if you click on websites. You will see all of your sites. And here's the one I just added right here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to start surfing. So you're going to, I'm going to turn these off because those are not the one I just made. This is the right one. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to start surfing. And there's going to be like a timer, and then I'll show you guys what to do. Like I say, this can be pretty boring, so now you're going to find the two images that are the same and click on one of them, and you'll earn credits. And you can actually do this, you guys, on several traffic sites at the same time and start making getting even more views if you do this. And then go on to the next one. So these two are the same, so I'm going to click that one. And then you just keep doing this for as long as you want to do this. It could be 15 minutes a day. It could be 30 minutes a day, but you're going to be getting real people who are actually clicking on these. So sometimes like they'll make it, so this ensures you're getting real traffic. 11 minus 5, 6. So you have to, keep clicking these. And that is how you start getting traffic. Now I'm going to show you how to assign credits. Once you're done surfing for the day, you're going to, let me just click this real quick. You're going to go to your account, click My Account, and then you're going to click on Websites, and then that's when you will assign your credits right here, okay? It says I have no credits. Hang on, I gotta surf a little bit more to get more credits here. But you will get more, like if you do this for 15 minutes, 10 minutes a day, 30 minutes, you will start to get credits, and then you can start assigning those credits to your page. All right, so that is how to do this, and I'm just going to go back now to my account. And once you start getting, I don't know why it's saying 0, but okay, that's weird. But you'll start seeing credits accumulate right here, and then what you would do is go to your site, and then, okay, you can see they're automatically being assigned. That's why it's happening. You'll start to see the balance. It'll say 4, and however many you get, it'll start to, you can also manually assign them in this box here as well. And then you'll start getting traffic to your page. Now, if you want to use other traffic sources, all you got to do is go back to your Easy Splash Builder and grab your link, copy your link here, and I'll show you how it looks in a new window. And this will be, it'll show the name of the site that automatically will update. So I'm going to give you 2 more sites right now that you can do this with outside of Easy Hits for you. Okay, Webmaster Quest. It's another one that you'll see in the description. Another traffic source that you can do the same thing with. You're going to just take that same splash page and you're going to put it into Webmaster Quest in the website section. And you can surf here and also at Traffic Ad Bar. You're going to also use that same splash page that links to your YouTube channel, and you can surf here and get traffic from real people. They have thousands upon thousands of members, and you'll get real views every day. So these are 3 sites I highly recommend, and you can surf all at the same time at all 3 of these sites. Just add your website and you're good to go. Start surfing and assigning those credits. Thank you guys for watching this, and I hope you found value. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you did enjoy this video. Thank you.